A major milestone has been achieved for the Green Line Extension LRT project. Diving operations for the Kenilworth LRT Tunnel recently concluded. You may be asking yourself, why are divers being utilized on a segment of the light rail project that's not in an open body of water? Fair question. For the majority of the length of the tunnel, soil is excavated below the natural water table. In order to progress with tunnel excavation operations, divers have been used to inspect the joints between the metal sheets that form the temporary support of excavation, commonly referred to as SOE.
Lately, it's been a lot of inspections, just reassuring that we don't have any splits in the sheets and making sure our sheets are nice and clean for contact for concrete.
The work was critical, and it ensured that soil was removed from below the water table and that soil from outside the SOE would not infiltrate through gaps in the sheets into the tunnel excavation area. It was laborious work, but it ensured both a safer working environment throughout tunnel construction as well as minimizing delay to the overall project schedule.
All about location is the biggest challenge. You're coming in from different sites at different places. We have people on walking trails, we have a railroad right next to us. A lot of apartment complexes and people's homes. This is where people live and this is where we get to work.
Over the course of about 42 months, divers inspected over 80,000 square feet of sheet pile extending as deep as 22 feet underwater.
This project here has been pretty awesome. This project has been unique throughout the start and end. Been loving it. Every day there's something new, there's something to learn.
The divers often had limited visibility underwater, feeling for gaps between the sheets by hand. Additionally, the divers performed welding operations to eliminate gaps between the sheets.
It's a team effort. It's not a one-person show. Across the job site, it's been a lot of looking out for each other and just making sure things are safe, and when we need to stop, we stop and talk about it.
The conclusion of these diving operations also means that construction activities below the water table were completed in all 30 tunnel segments in July. The unique use of divers in this environment is one of dozens of stories of how this project has overcome challenging conditions on its way to opening to the public in 2027.
I've been on top of the project, through the project, and under the project. It's going to be a proud moment when this is done.